stop right now. Stop strumming your ukulele here. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to Uke Like the Pros. If you haven't done so already, maybe you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the lessons and tutorials reviews we do here. And you're also helping me get to 100,000 subscribers. All right, so also if you're on Instagram, check me out at Uke Like the Pros. So in this video, and by the way, I am playing an amazing Kanilea super tenor, KSR super tenor, man. Amazing. This is available at my store, the #1 online store for ukuleles, store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, in this video, I'm going to tell you where not to strum and where to strum. This is a lesson that I learned early on when I started playing ukulele, watching all the best ukulele players in the world. And it's very simple. All you have to do, don't strum here, which is where a lot of guitar players would strum, right over the sound hole. You're going to strum right here where the neck and the body meet. Why? Because it sounds amazing. Just do this little test with me. Grab your C chord, strum it here. Kind of thin sounding, high pitch. Strum it here right where the body and the neck meet. It's warm, it's balanced, it's vibrant, but not brittle sounding, right? Brittle, bad, warm. So anyway, that's it. Do that little simple trick. Just strum here all the time. You're playing your sound. It doesn't matter what ukulele player is going to go through the roof. So anyway, when you start playing your ukulele, make sure you're playing right